In March 2012, the Manawatu River Leaders Forum received $5.2 million from Central Government's Fresh Start for Freshwater Clean-Up Fund. This funding has helped with over $30 million worth of work programs and been spread across a suite of 8 projects selected for their ability to make the biggest difference towards meeting the Accord goals. Over the 2 years, wastewater treatment upgrades have occurred at 6 sites. 208 kilometres of stream fencing has been undertaken, over 66,000 plants have been planted, 8 fish barriers have been fixed, 11 community groups have completed 14 projects, and 98 environmental farm plans have been completed, all to the benefit of the Manawatu River and catchment.
Hi, my name's Margaret Cavellis and I'm Mayor of the Manawatu District Council. So we are a foundation member, we're fully committed, and we are supporting the whole River Accord by our Orua Catchment Care Group. The Freshwater Clean-Up Fund allocation for our wastewater treatment plant was part of a $13 million upgrade. And this capital upgrade was designed to minimise the impact of the Fielding wastewater treatment plant discharge on the receiving environment. Our council is moving towards a dual land and water discharge, with an average of 90% of the discharge being completely removed from the Orua River when the river is in low flow. But the capital upgrade means that the resultant treated effluent of the wastewater discharge to the river is of a much higher standard, and it really will closely align to the One Plan in terms of a river quality target. In terms of Combolton wastewater treatment plant, we received $150,000 from the Clean-Up Fund, and we matched that funding, and we were therefore able to work on reducing the amount of ammonia, and actually it was dramatic, the effect, because almost overnight the ammonia levels dropped away completely in terms of the discharge. And we know that ammonia is very toxic to aquatic life, so this was a really important and significant reduction, and we're delighted, of course, with the result.
Okay, so I'm Richard Murfitt and I represent Tauranga Federated Farmers and the representative on the River Forum. Well, there has been about 180 kilometres of stream fencing has been achieved, and this has been done at, well, 54% of the cost has been taken up by farmers, and the rest of it has been River Forum money. And there also has been a environmental farm plan project with dairy farmers on the Manawatu, and I think it's about 83 farms have completed those. Well, with the fencing one, with it's 180 k's of fencing done, and without the external funding, it would have been half or less than half of that would have been done. I mean, it's a motivating factor for farmers to have external money, and so they're not feeling like it's just them doing it, so that draws more money out, as well as it doubles the amount being done. And with the farm plans, they probably, without the external money, they wouldn't have happened. And what it does is it supplies a huge base of information for Horizons, especially that they have to use for the scientists to use on the river, information that they haven't got elsewhere. And I don't think it would have happened without external funding, and the information wouldn't be available to Horizons or to the government without the external money coming in. Well, for us, we live and we work in the environment, and we want the environment to be clean and healthy, otherwise we can't function. And it's much better for all of us to be sitting around the table talking about how to fix these problems rather than fighting each other. And the forum is a perfect way of doing that.
Kei te ora te whai, kei te ora te whenua, kei te ora te tangata. If the water's healthy, the land and the people will be nourished.